In this video, I'm gonna teach how you can change your profile picture on Zoom app in 2020. So let's do this. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to change profile picture on Zoom app in 2020. So to do this, just go and open up your Zoom application. After that, just go down to the bottom right corner, click on this settings icon. Now go and click on this arrow next to your user details. Okay, click on your profile image. Okay, so now you can choose to take a photo or choose a photo from your phone. So I'm gonna click on choose a photo. Allow Zoom to access photos, media and files on your device. So click on allow if you want to use photos from your device. So I'm gonna click on allow. Alright, I'm gonna choose a photo. So complete action using crop picture. Use a different app, photos. So I'm gonna click on just once. Alright, so now we can change the size like this to make your head fit into this circle. So when you are satisfied, just go to the top right corner, click on this check mark. Like so, and now we can see that I have a new photo on my Zoom application. And if I go back, we also see my profile picture right here at Zoom. Okay, so I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you like this one and want to see more of this, you can subscribe right here. You can also check out my latest video right here. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.